right, Judge, bottom of 6. Anderson, come on up.
You say Anderson?
Anderson, bottom of 6.
Oh, bottom of 6. You were Mr. Henderson.
Yes.
Sir, you're charged with interference with the emergency. Road apartment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you violate these conditions, that they can file a violation of a protective order against you. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up, sir.
I understand.
Hey, do you mind printing? This is Mr. Thomas. I'm sorry, Mr. Henderson. Do you mind printing out the MOA so I can write no contact on it, please? Mr. Henderson, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? What do you do for a living?
I do TikTok.
What does I do TikTok mean?
I'm a TikTok creator.
Okay.
I'm an affiliate.
What kind of money does that earn you a month?
It's not more than $800.
Okay. Then you need to get a job. A real, legitimate 9 to 5.
Yes, sir.
Your attitude tells me a lot.
Not to be an attitude. I can do nothing, and I know I'm not here to speak about anything.
You have the right to remain silent, but your attitude tells me.
Keep calm, sir. I didn't do anything really wrong. They're not going to tell the full story about whatever happened.
Stop.
I'm just chilling. I'm not trying to be a victim, so I'm just accepting what's happening. Going on about the business. Okay.
I'm trying to keep my calm with you, Mr. Henderson. If I lose it, it's just not going to go well for you. I'm giving you the expectation now. You need to get a job. There's no more use of any alcohol or illegal drugs. You pick up any more cases, I'm telling you now, I will keep my streets safe. And if I have to throw you in at a high bond, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat and I will not lose sleep over it. You understand me? You don't get to sit at home playing Xbox all day while everybody else in Harris County has to pay for everything for you. Do you understand? It's just not an argument. This is not a negotiation. I'm telling you what the expectation is. You either live by the conditions or you die by the conditions. I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get a job. You will be tested. If at 40 days from today, you test positive for anything illegal, it's not going to go well. Do you understand?
That's fine.
Come on.
You're on those with pre-trials?
Yeah, he's going to be monitored.
All right, Judge, top of 12, Reyes, come on up. All right, go ahead and sign for your receipt. Financial officer?
No, I got one.
Oh,
Yeah. So you can go ahead and appoint him a lawyer,
okay.
but back in 2 weeks.
Anderson. Reyes, top of 12.
Mr. Reyes, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of high blow. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 4th, 2026 at 2:03 a.m., officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas in regards to a violation of a protective order. Witness stated his son had a protective order against the defendant and the defendant violated this by driving to the street to honk and yell, including coming up to the front door to yell. Witness also stated defendant appeared intoxicated while driving a white Honda Accord. Officer was in a marked patrol vehicle when he witnessed the car matching the description, drive down a public walk at a high rate of speed with the lights off. Officer pulled over the car and witnessed the defendant with red floppy eyes, slurred speech, and a strong odor of alcoholic beverage from her breath. Defendant refused to leave the car and was only identified when officers ran a big protective order, which read defendant is not meant to be at 260 feet of the residence or to communicate with the officer observed an open beer can in the vehicle. And states that he and his boyfriend he had dropped a previous charge for assault and that the protective order should be in the system. Officers conducted standard sobriety tests. Results were 6 out of 6 HBN, 4 out of 8 walking turn, and 3 out of 4 one-night stand. Defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.174 and 0.165.
The prior aggravated assault, the prior aggravated assault that was dismissed less than a month ago. Same complaining witness. Tell me, was there alcohol or?
You know, there right now, Your Honor.
And then she has a prior aggravated assault with family member, same complaining witness from the one 4 years ago.
different his language, Your Honor. And I'm taking a look to see if the one different component is involved in the alcohol.
We'll just in that application.
Yeah, drinking. Ms. Reyes, I'm gonna find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does she have a license to drive?
Yes, Your Honor, her license is.
One more, and I'm gonna revoke your bond and I'm gonna put you in jail. You understand?
Her license is eligible, and taking a look at the prior alcohol, Your Honor, it does not seem that alcohol was.
It is, there was. Ms. Reyes, I'm going to find that there's probable cause. You were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will get a scram monitor on your ankle, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. And I'm forbidding you from going within 1,000 feet of where the complaining witness in this case lives or works, and you will get a GPS monitor on your ankle, so I know where you are. If you go anywhere near this person, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my streets. You do anything to violate these conditions, it's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand me? If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, now is the time for you to address it. Because if you don't, and it becomes a problem, I'm going to do it for you, man. You have the ability to hire a lawyer. See, I have an application. I need you to fill out an application. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Deputy willing to give you an application. You will sign a reset, and then we're going to have you meet with your bond conditions, and then we'll take a look at you to see whether you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Is she allowed to drive?
With an interlock. There has to be an interlock on the car. Yeah.
Alright, Judge.
And
the last
insurance
one is
as well. I want proof of
on
insurance prior to.
John, come on up.
Oh, no weapons.
Seventeen. This is what
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with cruelty to animals. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On March 2nd, 2026, officer was assigned to review a case authored by HSPCA regarding an emaciated horse in the seized bull in Harris County, Texas. On May 24th, 2025, officer responding to a downed horse when he observed a different emaciated horse. Upon opening an investigation, he found the horse to have a body condition score of 1.5 out of 9. Officer also witnessed the deceased bull. A 3-day notice was written for vet care for the horse.
Did you say a deceased bull?
Bull, FOA.
Oh, full. Okay.
Upon returning on May 26th, the horse was still in the stall and the note was untouched. The bull was still there with flies around it. The next day on May 27th, there was no contact with the owner, but the note had been removed. The deceased fowl had also been removed, but the horse was still in poor conditions. Officer called defendant after getting a phone number from the bar manager who claimed ownership of the horse since July or June of 2024. Defendant stated the horse had been skinny since she got it and had cognitive documentations. Defendant stated she saw the note on May 25th but did not read it. Defendant also stated she was aware the horse gave birth. In a supplement, the detective stated that he spoke to defendant who stated she knew the horse needed vet care but did not read the notes, so did not notice the 72-hour time frame despite disposing of the note. A vet examined the horse and found the body condition score to be a 1 out of 9. The vet found that this was likely due to starvation. This was likely starvation due to malnourishment. The vet stated likely that there was also likely dental neglect in total.
Do we know that it was hers?
She claimed ownership of the year.
She did?
The bar manager also provided the number for the defendant.
So it's on the mayor then?
Yeah. the barn manager identified defendant as the owner of that stall. Or the owner of the porch, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Young, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to have any care, custody, control of any animals. You understand? If you violate this condition, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds, man. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Are you working at this time? Stop. I just need to know whether you can afford a lawyer or not. So what I'll do is I'm going to have Deputy Williams give you an application. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. You have to be at the federal poverty guideline level to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I need to know. So we'll just have you fill out an application. Please be honest. You're going to swear to it, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Please, no animals. Do you understand? Now's not the time. You need a lawyer, and the lawyer can help you navigate through this. But now I've got a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to try to use it to prove guilt. Okay? Please. No care, custody, control of any.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi. Come on. Yes, sir, please.
Judge, I'm approaching, I'm Brandon Ventura.
Ventura. Okay.
Hey, bother with this, but, need to go to the proper channels and you're at,
Don't be sorry. Whatever you want to do is not a problem.
We have a bond condition, regarding curfew. And I've given your pretrial supervisor and prosecutors some documents that reflect that it would be a much better arrangement if that curfew was changed a little bit to allow for him to continue working as a garage door installer. What we were asking for originally was changing it. Right now it's from 7 to 7, changing it from 9 to 9. Your pretrial supervisor pointed out that because he actually is not necessarily required, they're giving him some leeway at work to get there a little bit after 9. But if he was going to be perfect employee, the curfew would actually be 8:45 or 8:30 to 9:15. So that's an expansion. But the employer can live with just the same 12 hours instead of 7 to 7, 9 to 9.
What say you?
I just wanted to report, Your Honor, the defense provided proof of his.
And if it matters, Judge.
Okay. No, I mean, that's what my next question was going to be. You know, I just need some kind of proof that he's actually going to do these. You see it? No. Veronica, I trust you. So you've seen it?
Yes.
Okay. Had there been no violations so far? Okay, I'm all right with it. You know, baby steps, right? Tell him just no violations, just no contact and
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you.
no weapons.
And he's been made aware painfully so. And
Great.
there is a court-appointed lawyer on the case right now. I have been able to reach out to her. I did file a notice of appearance and
Oh, great.
a record. She has my permission as related to the coordinator to sub me in or sub out or whatever.
So wait.
I've made an appearance.
So you are going to sign on to these cases now? both of them.
I am on this case.
Are you-
And upstairs.
Wonderful. That makes it a lot easier.
Thank you.
Okay. Who is it? We can also try to reach out to them as well to see.
I'll be happy to sign
Yeah.
on the kiosk and generate it. She can just.
Okay.
sign.
Yeah, for sure. Go for it. Yeah.
Oh, and how is July 21st?
So it's council. Do you want 9 to 9? Is that what you want?
I was hoping for 8:30 to 9:15. That would.
So
actually
8:30
get there on time.
8:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
So he's got to be home 9:15
Correct.
until,
8:30 in the morning.
okay, I'm okay with that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Did you talk to Chelsea about the office?
Council, good morning, Mr. DeGuerin.
I would still continue to push on, Garcia because it's getting old. I'm gonna see.
Yeah, you're at 200 days.
So.
Where we
there's
headed?
There's a fellow, it's unrelated to this case, but it is, the 248, and we're still getting, it's a bag of salt. There's,
Is the same complaining witness?
nope,
Okay.
completely separate. What happened, if you remember, this is one where,
No, I don't remember my,
what happened was, he was shot. He was shot. Complaining witness shot, he is shot. He was in the hospital. I approached you because he was in custody in the hospital. He got a
is this,
bond.
did he shoot himself? Is this when he's cleaning a gun? No?
Uh,
Okay,
um,
just a random,
it was someone shooting back at,
got it.
it's a kind of a shootout.
Okay,
That's at 48. This should be set to July 21st. I told the prosecutor today that this case is, the felony is probably a year away from getting anywhere.
and we can't hold it that long.
I know,
So-
and what I told the prosecutors made an offer of 30 days, we rejected it. I made a counter offer at times. There's two charges. There's a assault and then there's a criminal mischief. I made
Is there any restitution in the mischief though? Yeah, I certainly will give you more time, but at some point we got to say when. So, but I'm happy to give you more time.
This, I appreciate that. To me, this is a case, this case, we can do standing right.
Sure, it's, I get it, I understand.
So my counter offer was dismissal or a time served on the criminal mischief. But right now, I'm not, isn't that just?
You got, yeah,
That's where we are.
We did confirm that, criminal mischief, we still had a valid for.
okay, I need to know if there's restitution. So between now and the next setting, do you mind reaching out to complaining witness to see? Well, I mean, the goal is hopefully a global resolution. I don't know if that's still, because yours is just so new. I mean, it's 4 years or 4 months up there and these take for,
No,
right, so,
I knew that it could be an
Sure.
issue, and so, if we have to try this before, we can, but it's one that.
I understand. We'll give you some more time. Don't worry. Just hopefully between now and I don't know, is there still a lot of discovery that's outstanding upstairs? Okay. All right, we'll just give you after the July
Yeah.
and then just keep us in a loop.
What I've been doing is I set it on the same day, then we come back down here.
Sure.
And then.
Sure, of course.
So we.
Sure.
Again.
Just please look to see if there's, my concern is everybody should be made whole. If someone has their stuff broken, really, it's only fair. This is, upstairs is what they're really worried about. This is, right? But nevertheless, restitution support, you know? Okay, all right, have fun. Let's move on. Give me 1 second. Back again, back again.
He came up clean today.
But it keeps happening though. Mister, come on. Come up.
I spoke to him.
So he tested today?
I spoke to him on the phone the day he missed. And I spoke to him about 12:30. He said, I'm gonna leave about 1:30 to go. And he called me again.
I'm happy that you're negative, man. Really, I am extremely happy. Just try to do better, man. I'm trying my best not to put you in, you know? I'm happy that you're negative. That's great. One day at a time, just please.
I think traffic.
All right. How are you getting point A to point B? Are you driving? Are you?
Right now, I'm currently driving, I have to get drove and move back sometimes, like I took Uber, but we got stuck in traffic and made it here late.
How are we are we still doing Mondays and Thursdays?
Yeah.
Okay. How long has he been negative for?
I'm sorry.
How long has he been testing negative? Has it been just a couple weeks, 3 weeks? No, it's not been 3 months.
He
3
he
weeks.
was in drug week.
I'll make you a deal. The next 2 times, if you show up on time and you're still negative, we'll change it to once a week randomly. So you don't have to come 2 times a week. All right? But trust is so easily broken and very hard to get. And I'm willing to work with you. Just keep it, stay clean, one day at a time. Just don't miss. And then next 2 times, if you're okay, once a week, randomly. Okay? All right, man. All right. Good luck, Mr. Good luck. Thanks. Hello? Hey.
I'm sorry.
You and my son. Hey, I'm sorry, my AirPods are picking up. What's up, man? What are you watching? I know. What are you watching? Okay, yeah. I just sent you money. I just sent you money. Just use the Apple Watch. Okay. All right. Okay. Bye.
Judge, did you want me to send the transfer order for Romania so we can send them it for the tenant?
Yeah.
I'm getting really I hadn't even showed up for getting to say, but I'm just coming here to
You're welcome.
Thank you. Right.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. Yes. Yes.
My phone's off. So SOS.
Is, emergency.
No, come back. We can keep it in the. It's a good problem. I gotta get a job. So my TikTok experience, don't go to jail and get in free will, you want to take out time to step it. So it's probably like, it's not. Okay.
It's a while. I'll probably consider doing everything. Just because I do the more. Okay. Right. As much as. No problem. And then, yeah, it's kind of, they decided on the computer. Oh, that's all different. The. And we need. It's like a huge. It's gonna be. And I get what you. What is it? It's right. You're that's the lens and I'm right.
Also, you can act with me. I'm making this about it. I'm taking this one.
So, hey, he was disrespectful to you?
He was helping, I was fine, was listening, he wasn't ready to speak, and
Did you feel threatened at all?
I did not feel threatened, but, I was not giving instructions.
Yeah, no, by all means. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. We'll let him calm down for a while. We'll see how it goes.
I will say this, I asked him if he had a phone, and he's like, I don't have a phone, so I'll see if he has a phone, he's like, it's all good.
Okay. We'll let him chill for a while.
Wouldn't this be just in case? It should be. Yeah, for whenever you're ready, I'm so case.
Okay, let me just send this real quick.
Yeah.
Hey, what was that dude that we took him back? What was his last name? Anderson? Oh, Henderson, right.
Page 6.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
All right, so the first case number is 2623-109.
Okay, Miss Davis, come up. Oh, sorry, I need you, please.
2623-109.
Good job. Miss Davis, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 1st, 2026, officer was flagged down by a reportee in regards to disturbance at Harris County, Texas Public Library. A complainant was security and reported the incident. Defendant was cussing at an employee / yelling at her. Officer heard the incident take place. Security screamed, "She needs PD." Officer observed a loud burst of a laptop flying through the air, hitting the ground. The laptop was valued at $1,200. The witness observed defendant throw the laptop off the table. Complainant, the manager stated the value of the laptop and wanted to press charges.
Okay. Miss Davis, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go back to, or probable cause to go forward. You were ordered not to go back to this library. You understand?
Yeah.
You are not to have contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. You already missed court once. You have a warrant for your arrest at this time. I will recall this warrant, but I'm not going to do it again. If you miss court again, you will go to jail. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know who you have in this life, Miss Davis, but if I have to put you in jail at a $10,000 bond and you don't have anyone to put up that kind of money, it's probably not going to go well. You understand? Yes or no? I'm not asking much. I want my streets safe. You need me to appoint you a lawyer today, ma'am? Okay, do you mind creating those bond conditions, please? Do you mind please appointing her an attorney?
Yes, Judge, are we reinstating?
Yeah, we'll reinstate the bond now. You got the cost number? Yeah, okay, thanks. Ms. Davis, for now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset. We will have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Do not leave until you sign the bond conditions and we'll find you a lawyer, ma'am.
Okay.
Come on.
Judge, I have another case number when you're ready.
Okay, let me just write this down real quick.
Oh, I think that. I'm just doing
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, case number is 26222289.
Come up, Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, you now stand charged with driving while your license is suspended or revoked. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On May 28th, 2026 in Harris County, Texas, officer observed defendant driving a vehicle with no vehicle registration sticker displayed on the windshield. Officer had knowledge that defendant had been offered a vehicle with a suspended driver's license and had no financial responsibility. Officer also knew that defendant had open misdemeanor warrants.
The officer knew that he had misdemeanor warrants?
Yes,
Is that what you said?
I believe the officer recognized.
Oh,
The traffic stop was conducted and officer ran defendant's driver's license and found it to be suspended and also found no proof of financial responsibility.
all right. Mr. Lawson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. Do you understand? You have missed multiple courts, multiple occasions. You're on bond for an assault and you now picked up another case. I'm not going to give you another PR bond. You will be going into custody today. But at this point, do not drive. Okay, we'll appoint your lawyer today and then I'll have you talk to someone here momentarily. All right? Okay. Guys, you ready?
Good morning, Judge.
Come on. Good morning.
It's an off-bit, Judge.
Okay.
Case number whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's 2622290. For last name Cal.
Tally?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
One out of Alabama for robbery, and the state is requesting a 3-day extension. No more than that. They've never gotten an extension before. She also has some recent history right prior to that from Tennessee for indecency, restaurant failure to appear, and so we're just asking for a 3-day extension.
I would be opposed to the extension of the Alabama's had ample time to get to Cali and you know, we will threaten the petition at this point.
She only waived it. Oh, it's been.
Right. And so they said, because I knew you wouldn't give the 4 days, I told them the morning of 18 and if the court grants it.
I usually will give no more than 3 days, Ms. Kuhn. I usually give maybe one, you know, if it's serious enough and no more than 3 days. Okay, I'll grant it, but that's it.
All right.
Okay, yes, thank you.
I put them on, that's gonna go to trial. They just, Like it's 7 tomorrow, but it's upstairs in felony right now. I think so.
Hi.
Hey, Judge,
Hi.
I'm working on that, off docket from yesterday and ordered the removal of the GPS monitoring device, but you didn't have the pre-trial service.
Oh, right. Okay, so just,
Pre-trial, we couldn't get his thing to for the.
okay, yeah, do you mind processing it and waive the signature? So is he here?
He's not here today.
Okay, so let him know. We'll take care of it now. We didn't have a pre-trial and we forgot.
Okay, no worries.
Oh, here.
No.
Just so the court knows, file a notice of appeal.
Yeah,
Who did?
me.
Okay, don't get your feelings hurt. It is what it is. Yeah, look, we had someone who literally appealed it
Yeah.
for 5 or 6 years?
It was a very long time. I think.
The original, he spent more time here appealing it than what the original sentence was in Florida.
No.
This is very roundabout way to be.
Do it. You do what you need to do. But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I mean, like the other guy, he appealed it. He went to the CCA. He went to federal court. And at the end of the day, it was a 4-year sentence.
Yeah.
And he spent more time, he spent 6 years here or something appealing it, or 4 years, 6 years.
Yeah.
But anyways,
I love making case law.
there you go. So where are we going now?
Well, so.
I'm gonna be filing the actual appeal.
Right.
For now, I've just filed the notice.
Okay.
Placeholder to
It's a toll, yeah.
to toll them actually coming again.
Okay.
Back. So, I just filed the notice just as.
So how soon? Is it 30 days to get it in?
So the date hasn't changed. That's just giving them time for the appeal. And then if they don't actually file the appeal, then for appellate rules, it's going to kick it out. So this is just to give them the opportunity to file.
But you do have what? Is it 30 days to
30.
file? Yeah.
And then.
Okay.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you. Don't say that.
Real quick, have a good day.
What's up, man? Done already? Okay, have fun. Hi, Enrique. I signed your order the other day. Is that what you were talking about? The order for discovery? Or you have something else? Sure. Thanks. Damn, that's a lot of emails you were talking about. A lot of emails that you were talking about earlier. Eek.
25, 9,
It was followed,
Tell me. Does the state know of this? Okay. Is it just a standard discovery order? Yeah. You didn't modify it in any way?
It may be something we hear about.
There's not, if it's just standard, then they've already agreed to it. But if you have modified it, okay, it looks like, I don't see anything that's been done. So, all right, I'll sign it. Hey, just to give you a heads up, he's filing just a standard discovery motion in one of his cases. It's 259 0852. I just want you to know so that you're not, yeah.
And it's.
Etch. A lawyer. Uh-huh. And conditions that we need you to sign. Shoot.
I'm trying to figure what is the probable cause, before we do that.
We already did probable cause.
You said what?
We already did probable cause when you were standing here earlier.
Yeah, I'm trying, I didn't hear, what was the probable cause, because that's not being great.
Okay, we can't, ma'am. You have the right to remain silent. I've got a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to use it against you. No, it's not fine. Let me get you a lawyer. I'll have you talk to the lawyer. Give me 10 minutes. I'm just waiting on them to come and then you can talk to the lawyer about it. Okay? Just please, just don't leave. What'd you get for?
Oh, it was one I had to know. I named it in the follow on. So not.
You don't know yet? I think she's ready to go. She's ready to go. So.
Right, that's a whole reset. Low stress case.
Then Sarah, she looks like she's. Oh, I see that. Oh, right, it's okay. Oh, I don't need to make that. Driving is. No, get it. I was fine. I was just from getting. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so it shouldn't be. It should be. That would be. Yeah.
Hey, Glenn, what's up, man?
Last early today.
I know. Distraction.
No. Actually, for cheese, officer and for. Yeah, chicken solar. All together.
Thanks.
Morning. Got two cases on docket today. Mr. Noah Gonzalez, the arraignment on a reckless. We're spoken on stage.
Are you ready? You mind bringing him up so we can be ready? Come up, Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $200 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
On June 3rd, 2026, officer observed defendant's vehicle going 98 miles per hour in a 65-mile-per-hour zone. Officer observed defendant's vehicle swerving in and out of traffic, going around other vehicles on the roadway in heavy traffic. Officer initiated a traffic stop and made contact with defendant and asked why he was driving like that, to which defendant stated he was late for work.
Got it. Does he have a license to drive?
I'm running his license right now, Your Honor.
Please. Mr. Gonzalez, as a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to drive in a reckless manner again. Otherwise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance, and that is also a condition. If you do not have car insurance in your name, no driving.
His license is eligible, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to have conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. At that point, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. She must have stepped down, so if you just want to have him take a seat, then just tell him not to leave. All right, who's your second?
Brenton Livingston.
Okay. Where are we headed?
So, I've spoken to the state. They've made a PTI offer. I've talked to my client, 0.04, so.
You what?
0.04.
Great.
So,
But we need to know it's 170 days. I understand that it's a low, but
yeah, I but I'll talk to him another last minute.
I'll give you one more standard reset. But at that point, he's got to be here to either accept or reject. If he wants to apply for PTI, he's got to have it in by the next setting.
I'll
but-
talk to him.
Yeah.
Where we're at.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, guys.
So he's approved. Was there an accident? Does he need a mitigation packet? Livingston.
No accident, she doesn't need a mitigation
No.
plan, so they'll do it.
So basically just all you got to do is the application and,
That's all if I would approve them, that's on this application.
Yeah. okay, cool.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I don't care what, just the only thing, just no heaters. That's, other than that, I don't care what you guys do. If you want to eat, carry on, I don't care. Just the heaters kill. Oh, my Lord. How's homeboy back there? Is he good? What's up, Dick?
Hey, Judge.
What's new, man?
No, I'm looking for you. You. Judge, turn on the live stream. We're gonna get some fireworks on today.
It is. Don't worry.
Take her, you know.
I'm not interested.
I can get a cheap.
Yes, I know.
That's
That's what
what-
I'm saying, I'm assuming it's not.
It's not, it's a,
Hey, we got Tony waiting on a reset.
I got the reason.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
big long conditions on that one?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wait, no, there is that.
Yes, I'm sure.
Ready?
That's fine.
Yes.
And then you'll call me. Do you use, PTR?
If you don't want to be, yeah.
Oh.
She wasn't. She was involved in that. Yeah, I don't know why. I started about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Okay.
She was involved in one thing. It's a bad accident. It's a bad accident. They had a decision last week. So they really find a lot of information.
All right, if I didn't sign it, what do we use? I'm sorry. All right, so I have to see you.
This is just excellent to see if you give permission to send out
Oh,
certified
yeah.
copies of judges.
I'm not there.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, for Livingston, how much time did we give?
Just one more reset, but he's got regular reset, but he's got to be here at the next setting to decide what they want to do. If he wants to do PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next one.
How do you lie? It's 7, so I mean,
She doesn't want that. She. You're good.
Yeah.
Stace, she still needs to sign conditions. Once she does, she's with you.
Judge, Tyler.
Oh, he is? Hey, you can tell me if you know that I've got so many windows open if I didn't see it. Just tell me, it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Hi.
I didn't know.
Yeah, it's me. It's me. Tyler. Have we talked to someone today already or no? Hey,
Hey, Judge, sorry, it was on
no,
my
one more time.
Bluetooth.
Just one time. Hold on, Tyler. We can't hear you. Say something.
I'm here.
There we go. We can hear you now. Okay. So next week, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
No. I'm not ready for the
Why?
16th. I'm gonna, so it's a combination of things, Judge. I'm still recovering from pretty serious hand puncture, have open wounds in my hand that are still healing all over top and bottom. But also it just kind of coincided, like tomorrow is supposed to be the day that the doctor said, well, you could go back to work the next Monday if your wounds are healed. But I also haven't had a family trip in a year and a half, and I had one scheduled for next week.
But you guys already had multiple resets on this case, Tyler. You know, we allow one reset, then we got to go, you know?
Well, respectfully, I was looking at that. The state had a continuance. The clerk site doesn't indicate we filed a continuance or had a continuance. I think there was one time I came in and I had talked to you.
There have been multiple continuances on this case. Like how many times this case has been continued? At least 2 times, if not 3.
Well, it shows one continuance on the clerk site.
Yeah, I believe first continuance is because multiple trials is that
Right.
same day, and then state also had continued.
Right. So the first one was yours because you had multiple trials going on. So we said, okay, whatever. I think it was a trial with, was it court 8, maybe?
They were set in 7, 8, and 5.
Right. But you guys are always set in every court. So until we get you, you're always set in every court. So it's always going to be like that, you know? So
I think I remember coming in on that and was going to talk to you about it and let you know I was going to be ready depending on what you said. And I may be remembering it wrong, but you had another trial, and I think you kind of just waved me off and said, just go get another date. That's fine. You can go to
Sure.
trial in there. And I appreciate that.
So we try to be as easygoing as possible, but at some point we have to say when. We can't just continue to punt it down the road, you know? Give the call number, please.
256.
Okay.
5785.
They raise and she'll come back.
I'm just supposed to be out all next week
On vacation.
on vacation. Yes. I mean, I'm open to other ideas. I could probably, I don't know if you can we can pick a jury tomorrow and recess to the 21st.
Is there no resolution that can be reached in this case?
Not from our standpoint, Judge. If the state is offering to plead to a DWI conviction, then we want to go to trial.
Does he have any prior DWI?
No priors, Your Honor. We have the time served offer in.
Does he want to apply for PTI? You guys have no interest in PTI?
No, sir. I'm sorry, 22nd, not 21st.
Are you able to pull up the trial docket by court? How come the intelligence page doesn't work? I mean, look, I'm getting this internal server error. I can't pull up any, you know, how you can pull up trials by docket, trials by court, and then all that stuff. I can't pull anything up. It's been like this for days. No, you know how there's the intelligence webpage where you can look at.
So Judge, there's a new one under default. You need to go under that one. The one that says default favorites, and pull it up under there.
I don't see it. I don't know what you're talking about.
On your on the
Oh, I
bar.
see it. Okay, there we go.
And then Perry County Criminal Courts Intelligence.
There we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. That's it.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
So Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
what about the week of the 29th?
That's fine. We have 2 trials scheduled that day or that week. We only have 2.
Tyler, what about the week of the 29th?
That looks good, Judge. I don't have anything on that Thursday or Friday before, and I don't have any trials set on the 29th on the 29th. I have some on the 30th, but
So
I have
I
some on
guess set it-
30th and court 10 is pref set, but
Then let's do the 29th.
okay.
You want it on Monday?
Yeah, that
Okay,
way we
Judge.
can get him in trial first.
Okay.
If we try to set it on the 30th, we're going to have to argue with other courts, and I don't want to have to do
Okay,
that.
that's fine. I'll put it on the.
This is the last
29th.
reset though, Tyler. I mean, that's it.
I appreciate it, Judge. You're always very accommodating. I'm sorry to even put
Don't worry about
everybody in this position.
It is what
We'll
it
be
is,
ready.
but this is it though, right? We're going.
we'll go.
Okay.
Just for scheduling purposes and security our witnesses, it'll be for hire on Monday and then.
Board hire Monday. No, let's just start. Just start, because I mean, there are other courts are gonna be, if we're actually in trial, then, so at least let's maybe get through one, at the most two. Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. I
Thank
hope
you
your,
very
I
much.
hope your hand gets better.
Yeah, it was bad. I'll tell you about some time. I had like a
No, I
rapidly
know,
flesh-eating
I get it. I
bacteria.
understand.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you all very much, Ramona. Good to see you.
Okay,
And Bree should
so
be
hey,
ready.
file a motion, please.
I think we did, and we filed it earlier this week, and Bree approached
Okay.
on it, so
Then
it
I'll
should
grant
still
it then.
be.
And then, but I'm gonna put in there granted, and then trial to be set for the 29th. Okay,
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
all right.
And we can tell inform my client to stand down for
Yeah.
Tuesday. Okay. All right. Thank you. Y'all.
If a guy schedules a trip in lieu of going to trial, that's not cool. You know what I mean? That's really not cool.
No, there's others. Right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm just gonna get your signature for your bond conditions that the judge will know. And they keep that, so I should say, whenever you're ready. Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, this is your bond conditions, which you can do, and then this is your reset when you're required to come under court. You're good to go, you have a good day. Yeah. Oh, wait, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can.
Bring your mom.
Yes, ma'am. There's one. I'm trying to get all the way up there. It's kind of like, oh, no. This is like Thank She's in training. That's fine.
Oh, thanks. That's what I want, what I always wanted. Good job, Ellen.
Last time,
Can you, wait, can you afford a lawyer? Just, we don't know who it is. We gotta wait. Just be patient, really.
No, that's not nine. I'm gonna have to take off. You should have a copy. She said she was gonna check back on my call. Oh, everything started.
Vic, you know who she got?
Yeah, we have to testify on that.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Was it Stacy?
No, not Stacy, Sherry.
Oh, McGunn?
The bottom is your statement.
She represents Mr. Kamal. Oh, there you are. Hey, there she is. Wonderful. No, not Willis, Davis. That's Miss Davis.
Oh, I'm not sure if she went. Oh, then you can stay and wait until she comes out. You can be there. I need to approach on Willis as well.
Okay, sure.
Oh, I just got it. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Hi, mistakes.
We're clairvoyant.
Give me 1 minute to speech. Jabari Willis.
Okay, do you have a cause number? Is it on docket? It's not on.
That's my reason I'm switching it from mine.
Oh, you picked up a new case. Where's Mr. Willis now? Yeah, no, I'm gonna revoke his bond. If he's picked up a new case.
I spoke with the complainant this morning, and based on my conversation with her, I believe he's in custody. And since he picked up another video.
Shut the front door.
This is a felony.
Well, I'm gonna revoke this bond anyways. I mean, he's not here. He's supposed to be here. He picked up a new case. He's in another county, whatever. I'm gonna revoke it. I'll set this one at 5,001. And then at least if he is in custody, we'll get the hold. And I don't know, if he bonds out of there, he bonds out of there, but I mean, he's not here, so. And he picked up a new VPO. Did they file it as a felony or?
Oh, Your Honor.
No. I guess, do you want to stay on the case or do you want to withdraw?
I'm going to
Because-
stay for a little while and watch it and see what happens with the cases. And if it resolve in some way that we can handle these.
Sure. Do you know, are you able to see if a bond is set over there?
I can check.
Okay, and then just tell me, once she signs conditions, Sherry, at that point, she's free to go. Say,
Okay, ready for Mr. Henderson. Sending.
if you talk to him,
Yes.
do you mind bringing Mr. Henderson out?
Did not. Something was in the United States.
Hey, on the terroristic threat with Willis, same complaining witness
Yes, sir.
with the VPO, right? Okay. I told you what the expectation is. You know, I understand that you're frustrated. I understand that this sucks, but everybody here is just trying to do a job. And it's not fair for you to take your frustration out on everybody else, making their life more difficult. invariably making your life more difficult because we have a jail here. And when you act out, what's going to happen? You're just going to end up in jail. It's just not fair. All we want to do here is protect our community and make sure everyone's safe. If you pick up a criminal case, there are certain things that you got to live. That's it. I'm not asking you to do anything out of the ordinary, anything crazy. When people have too much time on their hands, Mr. Henderson, they tend to get in a lot of trouble and become self-destructive. We are now in month 6, and you're now, what, number 3 already this year? Is this number 4?
Number 5, or number 4 this year.
In a matter of 6 months, you have picked up a 4th case, and you come in here acting like you're the king, like you got some game.
Your Honor, based on the did, we also did accept charges on assault and murder.
1 second ahead.
We're looking into it right now, Your Honor.
Better be ready. Oh, another warrant's about to hit. I think Mr. Willis said, I'm not Mr. Willis, Mr. Henderson. I think that I'm well within my right to hold you in contempt. I will give you one final chance. If you ever, and everything that has transpired today, I will be writing down. If you ever act like this again, I will have a contempt hearing and you will be facing 180 days in jail. Flat. Do you understand? So when pretrial asks you, do you have a phone? You have to be honest because there are conditions that I'm placing on you now. I'm doing everything I think in my power to prevent you from picking up a 7th case in 6 months. You will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you are 1 minute past curfew, I will throw your butt in jail. I will look at the case and I'm going to make her run high. You understand? Okay, so just be ready.
Right.
I don't know, have you seen?
No, I haven't. She just attached.
Yeah, so just be ready. I mean, it's just a matter of time before another case hits. Come back and we'll talk. We'll see how, when that second case hits, I don't have to give you another PR bond. A lot of what we do here will depend on how you are with compliance with the conditions that we place. You will be tested 40 days from today. It's not a matter of if. So from today forth, if you put anything into your body that you don't know what the hell is, you may very well be looking at more jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Stace, I'll release them to you. I'd like to just see how he acts with Veronica to make sure that she doesn't have to.
You don't have to monitor by
I'm sorry. Yeah, GPS. So GPS, right? No contact with the complaining witness. No going within 1,000 feet of where she lives, works. Curfew 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Must get a job. Back in 2 weeks to see what he's done to get a job. When you come back, I want to see 20 to 30 applications for a job, Mr. Henderson.
Last name Davis.
I haven't eaten one of it. I did that.
Judge Lawson, were you doing that? Okay, hold on, I just do it. 1 second.
Actually, I work at.
Judge, we're at an off, I'm gonna ring it.
Sharon David.
So, yeah, let me just, finish real quick.
The address is loosely spelled.
Morning, I'm just gonna get you the sign off.
Officers out that we. We emailed it, but we texted him as soon as the day, so we would know that we just saw the days out.
You're welcome, that's it.
So what's a good time then?
He comes back on the 6th, Judge. If you need to move the time, it's the 6th, they will come in, so that we Judge.
Hey, y'all, this is Tyler Flood. Thank you for calling. Sorry I missed your call, but
I just left them I texted it, tell them to call. I just called them, it went right to voicemail, so let me see. Okay, Victoria, what's the cost number, please?
Number is two.
Barwa.
And then there's
26
24
24
148.
2624 148.
Yes, Judge. Last name Flores.
All right, coming up, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, you're charged with assault of a family member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 8th, 2026, officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas, in reference to a domestic disturbance. Complainant's stepdad advised that defendant threw his mother and pulled her hair. Dispatch advised the defendant drove off in a vehicle. Upon arrival, complainant stated she got into an argument with defendant, told him to leave, and continue home. Complainant got into the driver's seat, so defendant would not drive. Defendant attempted to remove complainant from the vehicle by pulling her hair and shirt. She had minor scratches and defendant trying to pull her out of the vehicle. Defendant also pushed complainant out of the vehicle. Officer observed scratches on complainant's arm and neck. Complainant's son stated he heard complainant screaming and came outside and observed defendant in the driver's seat while complainant was on the passenger side. Witness observed defendant's hand on complainant's head. He was unsure if he was hitting her. Witness stated complainant fell out of the vehicle and defendant drove off. Officer was able to locate defendant's vehicle and initiated a traffic stop.
Do we know if any alcohol or dope played a factor in this? What time of day or night?
Stated that the defendant came home drunk. Officers were dispatched to the location at around 3 a.m.
The prior assault that he has that was dismissed about 6 months ago, same complaining witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, I want you to know that I'm putting a whole host of conditions on you. You will get a scram on your ankle now, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. I will protect my community at all costs. If you ever put your hands on someone while you're on bond in this court, I'm going to put my hands all over your bond and I'm going to make it. You understand me? You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness and you're not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. You have a monitor on your ankle, so I know where you are at all times. You go anywhere near there, I'm going to throw your ass in jail and I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested for everything. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, likewise, into jail you go. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is not contrary to popular belief. This is not a revolving door.
Yes, sir.
You will also get a curfew. 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to be out.
Yes, sir.
No weapons. Test in 40 days. Let's make sure there's a protective order in this case. I would say, so I'm going to amend the MOA to do 121 days because he's in a car and that's a deadly weapon. So I'm now, this protective order will be issued. You are not to have any contact. If you violate this condition, they can file additional case against you, and a violation of protective order is a capital murder of misdemeanors. You understand?
Sure.
We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm going to have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you in 30 days. Come on.
Judge THA?
THA.
All right, go ahead and have us.
Hi, Greg.
Need you standing there. So not ex parte. Good. How are you?
What's up? Good to see you, man.
You too.
Happy Friday Eve.
Yeah, happy Friday Eve.
Can I put you on hold for 1 second? I'm really so
I
sorry.
don't have anything on top yet.
Okay, give me 1 second. Tyler,
Yes, sir.
so it looks like the state's witness cannot be there on the 29th.
Okay.
What about the following week? like the week of the 6th.
Yeah, I've got a felony set in Brazoria County on that on 6, but I don't think that's gonna go. They had to, the DA's office had to recuse themselves and they got a special prosecutor and we haven't even discussed a resolution yet. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
so
think
you're,
that's gonna
yeah,
go.
you're not gonna go. Okay, so why don't we, Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
can we do it that day, the 6th?
Yeah, if that's when you want to move it.
Hold on, Ramona.
Okay.
Back on the 6th, so we can do Fort Dyer on the 6th and testimony.
Sure. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. Okay, all right, so we'll do it the 6th then.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to make sure you knew I had that conflict. We'll contact them right now and probably just felt like continuous because they haven't even reached out to me at all.
Okay, so hey, we'll just so that you know, we'll just do voir dire on that day. And then we'll break
Okay.
and we'll start testimony the next day, okay?
Okay, all right. So July 6th.
Yeah,
Thank
sorry
you.
about the problem.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, man.
Okay, no, thank you.
All right, I hope you feel better. All
Thank
right,
you.
bye, Tyler. Okay, thanks.
Bernard Lane ring a bell, he's one of your fugitive. I have him on docket today.
Lang?
Bernard Lane,
Lane.
and court through asked me to come up here to kind of try to figure out what's going on. So he's had a
Court
fugitive
2.
warrant. They said he's on docket in your court today as well. I thought he was on yesterday. But
It shows he's on, he shouldn't be on both days. That's a,
well, I thought it was yesterday. That's why I put him in court 2 today.
is he with you over there?
I'm trying to figure because he didn't make it
So-
court 2 and he's on hold.
So normally when someone has a fugitive case, if they've not made bond,
Well, he's made bond.
it's told. He's made bond here, so usually we give them 14 days to come pick him up.
I thought. So I don't know if he's out or they got, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure it out.
Do you know if he's not filed a figure, is he? Day? Yeah,
Lane, Bernard Lane. He's the defendant.
yeah.
Then he's also on my docket.
He's set for 6/11 for pickup.
Adam's on the fugitive case.
Hold on, let me call Day.
Today's the 11th, right?
Yeah.
This month.
But you didn't make it up.
And
Yeah, because he's,
he didn't make it to court 2 either. He was on both dockets for some reason. I don't know.
oh, he didn't make it there either. We don't have him? We don't have him either.
He's not in the back. I checked.
Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm gonna put you on speaker.
I am not his attorney on the fugitive warrant, just so that.
Hey,
Yes, Judge.
are they gonna pick up Lane?
Well, that's what we're trying to verify right now. Is that Adam there?
No, it's Greg, who's his lawyer in the other misdemeanor case.
Hold on, let me pull up.
So court 2 is trying to figure out what's going on.
See, so they should have this morning. That was part of the conversation yesterday. I just got an email. We're trying to verify with them right now if he's actually like physically in their van. So that's what we're trying to verify. I should have an update in in the next 30 minutes, hopefully.
Okay,
I can
well-
email you too, Greg. Yeah.
So he'll email you.
Okay, I'll launch another court delay.
Yeah,
Okay,
so he might
I'll
be
have it
getting
before
picked up literally as we speak now.
Okay.
Yes.
So just make sure that you have a good number for him so that,
I'll have it.
well,
Yeah, we have each other's numbers, Judge.
no, not you, the defendant,
Oh.
because if he goes back to where he's wanted from and then you guys lose contact and they end up issuing a warrant there, it's gonna be exact.
Jay, was it Georgia or was it like something else? I can't remember.
This one was, I can tell you right now, it is Idaho.
I know. Okay, because this is the second time I think he's gone through this. But anyway, okay.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna-
But I'll email.
Okay.
yeah, just CC Adam though too,
All
okay?
right, thanks, sir.
I will.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
But hey, Dave's really good about getting to you guys, so hopefully
Go
within,
to court 2 class. Maybe I'll let
Okay.
you know.
Mr. McBroom,
Morning, Judge.
Hey,
I'm
good morning.
Joe Manning.
Manning?
Yes, we just received our DWI PTI contract this morning. May we please have a reset?
Okay, so your case is 170 days, it's old, okay? I'll give you a reset, but where are you with the PTI?
We just received the contract this morning.
You just got the contract?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so we'll give you about 2 weeks to finish everything up then.
All right.
30 to July 2nd.
June 30th through July 2nd.
Yes.
The 30th.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, thanks.
Thank you.
I put amended on there, just so that you guys know that it's, yeah, okay. Hi, good morning.
I'm a person on Tobar.
Okay,
I just received the DWI PTI contract this very morning.
great, so we'll just give you a couple weeks to finish it up.
We just need a little time for him to go.
Yep. Okay,
The device.
you got it.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your age?
You know the messed up thing on Willis? The terroristic threat was filed on 4/12. The VPO that they just filed here happened
420.
4/20. So why are we just now getting it? You know, it's been 2 months. I don't know, or I guess was he just, did he just get picked up on it or something?
The BPO is a 2B.
Oh, right, okay.
And the Warner Melco address is 426.
And I want to go back to driving now.
And then go on this one.
Man accountants.
What is this one? Yeah.
Oh, they swapped me.
Got to go back and find it.
I'm sorry. Or if you can have confusion.
Let's go back and find it.
Hey, let's go through the list.
No.
Unless you want to stay here.
Yeah.
Get your sister.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, my name is Sally.
Did you guys dismiss Bohana?
That's.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, we do that? Webster. All right, so you want to have Monday, 15th?
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah, we just do that.
Ah. Hey, you picture was bad, Mom. No, look so good. Say bye. Jesse's,
Our judge, bottom of 7. There were coupons posted. His mom called and said he was in the hospital. And I asked for documentation. I haven't received it.
10,003. Who's next?
Page 13. The defendant has 2 cases on for today, and 1 on for tomorrow. All of them are already.
2501 on these two. Brenda.
Just the personal.
I think that's it.
Top 15, did you grant that one?
Is it ODL?
There were 2 of them on that.
I signed one with Ramona. I don't,
Just one? Okay.
yeah, I don't know which one I did. Okay, are you ready? Hi, Mr. Bailiff, come on up.
Judge,
What's new?
Pushing on, I'm just hanging out, trying to
Cool.
take the docket, sorry to work meeting.
Oh, shut.
Your Honor, I've got Mr. Lawson.
Okay.
You heard cuisine on him a little bit earlier. Ms. Lawson, in custody, I have a cause number for you.
I got it. No, I know who you're talking about.
I just wanted to give a status on the bond situation. Did you set a bond in this case?
Yeah, there's, well, I guess the maximum may have, they're 5,002 each.
Right, that's all that. Your Honor, I'm asking to reapproach and talk about that, because,
Sure, of course.
I understand the basis for violation was that he failed to come to court after opening the case. Mr. Lawson has told me about his dad, his dad is a few miles away. I'm just representing what he told me, which is that he did try and call the court and let them know that it.
I'm not going to give him another PR bond. You picked up a new case. You didn't show up when you had a BVR. I'm not going to give you one. If you want a bond reduction, I'm happy to give you a bond reduction, but I'm not going to sit here. This is not a revolving door, man.
Yes, sir.
You don't get to continue to pick up cases, continue to violate conditions and just, okay, here.
So,
No. So,
I understand that. I would ask, to reduce the bonds to 2,100 each.